Okay. Take this out right. I'm not gonna hold you back. Dude, I swear to God, I wanna show him this too. Wow. Nice, very good. If y'all want your cars to be detailed, oh, come. I can't say my business name though, man.
Say
I
it,
don't want
brother.
nobody to know my business name, Allah.
Brother, just say it.
Well, I'm not trying to, bro.
Why?
Because sometimes in life, you gotta think of some things in life, because sometimes in life, it's life, you know what I'm saying? But Alhamdulillah, today's a beautiful day, bro. Blessed by the best, Allah Azza wa Jal. Today you better do this detail, and another detail like I told you guys, and another one, and then you're gonna go to, you don't even know. You're just gonna go somewhere today, you're just gonna walk around. It's better to walk around than staying at the house, being lazy, and like being like a bum. Do something to life. You gotta be active, bro. But yeah, stay tuned. Very nice, very good. We just finished with the vehicle. Look at it, man. Wallah, it has a little nice gloss to it, bro. You can't even lie. Come here real quick, come here. Look at the interior, bro. Look at the interior. Oh my days. Oh my days. Guys, I'm telling y'all, come get a detail for me. Look at, oh my God. Let's not even show that. Let's not even show that. I'm joking. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
You wanna check out the vehicle real quick?
I'm not good. I'm just trying to hang in there.
I know, I know. How's the car looking?
Wow.
Yeah, I had to extras this car.
Wow.
I had to make it look good to you.
Let me show you.
Okay. Okay. I might need to take this out right. I'm not gonna hold you back, man. This looking nice.
Look, 25,300.
You have to start driving this vehicle, especially
yeah.
with the detail right now looking glossy and nice.
Yeah.
The way for it to mess up, you gotta drive it right now. If it was me, I would drive it all over right now.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna take it for a spin with the top down.
Yeah. Bro, she almost teared. I swear to God, والله she almost teared. والله she's crying.
يا اخي مسكينه.
والله هي طيبة. لازم ندير هسه، والله لازم ندير هسه.
الله يهديها.
آمين.
This was my last name.
Do you know what I hate about going out with my boys? They're not nonchalant. Then when I go out with them recording and go on Twitch and everything like that, they act nonchalant. I hate when people try to finish up and trying to be nonchalant. What's it? On your left, on your right, on your... Watch out, watch out, watch out! Hey, boss man, whose is that? Can I try something on?
Yeah, that's my man's right there.
Can I try something on?
I don't think he gonna let you go out.
Oh, no way.
No, it ain't like that.
I got you. Appreciate you. والله اصبر تيجي ندوس اصلا. شغل برع ولا زامل. I swear to God. I got a missed call.
No way.
Wallah, hold on. I got a missed call from my client. I got a call back. How you doing? Very nice, very good. Mobile detailing. I missed your call. Yes, brother, we're open. Wallah, I'm getting the cheapest clients. I swear to God, it pisses me off. Wallah, it pisses me off.
How much is it?
I told him, in and out. That's the cheapest thing. RAV4.
RAV4, 3 series?
RAV4.
What's your bargain?
Third row. But he said he don't want it. Huh?
How much is it?
Chill. Oh, you do that, gang.
I'm staring at you like, how much is it?
Wow. Yeah, give me a text. I got you guys, all right? I'm about to hit you guys up in a bit, all right? Hold on, are you actually about to jump?
Huh? Yeah,
This guy's about to jump. Close to you. No, yeah!
Fuck! Damn, man!
That's crazy. Allah is out. Ain't no way. Dip, 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 dip. God. Hey, alone, is that? Alright, boss man, how you doing? How you doing? Can I know what's going on?
Oh yeah, we're just setting up for your friend's proposal.
A proposal? Oh no way, what time's it gonna be?
I don't even know. Whenever he finishes dinner.
I got you. Oh, you eating right now?
Yeah, he's eating.
I got you guys, man. That's good, man. Hopefully everything goes good.
Thank you.
No problem, anytime. Yo, they got flowers. What the flip is going on? All of this. Oh, that's all. Hey, should I get the homeless guy, Dave's Hot Chicken Reaper? No, like, I got you some food. Huh? Yeah, I got you, brother.
No, thank you.
No problem. Anytime. I swear to God, this guy's the biggest liar, man. Meow. Is that a cat? Oh, when I run, you run with me, alright? Stop killing me. When I run, you run. Don't recall nobody else but me.
Okay.
Alright? Stop pissing me off.
Please stop.
Thank you. That's probably a millionaire. I ain't hold you back.
That's my car. That's my vehicle.
Hold on. Oh. Damn, Allahu bad. Oh, that's looking fire. Hey, can this open? Oh, it can't open. Hold on, I gotta open it. Hold on, Trump. Open. Allahu barik. Where am I at, Mo? I'm like the museum of the cars. Oh, that's electric. No, I've been here once, but I didn't see all of this right here. Yo, that's the classic cars. What the flip? Hey, this is the way to go upstairs, all the way up. Y'all wanna go upstairs, all the way up? I'm on Twitch. Twitch.
The Aki way.
That's my.
That's your cousin?
Yeah. But we do different content though. You guys, appreciate you, bro. Bro. Damn! It's thicker than Mo. I got you for sure. I got you. Man, he believes in me, bro. He believes in me, bro. I need some supporters like that, bro. I got you. What a support and love, man. You see? I was looking about it. I was about to. That's a V? What the flip? When did they make this kind of V? When did they make this a V? But that's electric though. What? Yo. Say wallah. Say wallah. It's open. Hold on. Is it really open?
Bring your ass back.
Get up. That's so messed up, bro. That's so messed up, bro. Damn. Why did I believe you guys?
Hey, come back here now!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why did you go up?
I said last
Why
time.
did you go up?
I'm sorry.
You pissed me off. Why didn't you go up?
I'm sorry, man.
Stop pissing me off.
Relax.
Go up now.
No.
Do it one more time. والله عض اقسم بالله لا عضد. Don't do it. والله you're working out here. It's okay. Stop holding me! Run. Run. Come on. Where are you at? Left side. Come here, left side. Come here. Left side. So how you do this? You go over or what? You go over this?
Jump it.
Huh?
Jump it.
You can't.
Open hand.
Huh?
Come here. Don't. Wallah don't.
Parkour.
Wallah go with you.
So wallah.
Wallah go.
After you.
It's your video.
It's all because of you! You always piss me off. Stop pissing me off, okay? Stop. There's a dog. Why you get fooled? Huh? And then when I give this guy a little... Oh. Damn. That's beautiful, Loki. Wow. Very nice, very good. Yes. Hey, come here, boy. What are you getting married? They're getting married. Ah! Let's go win it. If I'm not getting married, they're not getting married too. They're not about to get married. Can you go down from right here? Alright, bro, we gotta mess up the marriage. You gotta mess up the marriage. You have to mess it up. Come on. Elevator. Come on! Oh, don't mess up the marriage. Emergency exit though. It's gonna beep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! How you doing, Akhi? Salam.
You want this out of the way, like out of your shot? That's not inside the way.
Inside.
No.
Somebody passed out.
Let's get the CPR.
لا. Hey. I'm gonna make him splash on those people. Hey, splash.
No. Don't
Bro, splash, bro. Bro, splash, bro. This is my first post ever. Oh what? I'm trying to start doing vlogs, wallah.
Okay, go this way.
I'm trying to start doing Twitch, but Wi-Fi here. Huh? Nah, that's crazy.
Come on,
Should I do it?
video, bro.
أسألك بالله, should I do it?
You really get wet. Don't be
Huh? This guy, dog. Hey, give him a ski mask, bro. Give him a ski mask. أسألك بالله.
You got a jet ski. I mean, you got a life jacket. Go in.
Alright, how long do I gotta be in it for? How long do I gotta be in it for?
Don't be.
From there to here. From this to this.
Okay.
أسألك بالله.
Bro, they have a life jacket for you. Bro. They have a life jacket for you, bro. Do for the chat. Chat.
اطلع بريه يلا.
بسم الله.
Give him the life jacket. لليوتيوب يلا.
Hey, be like jumping off the Detroit pier.
Yeah, shout out.
bro. I should take the risk, bro.
Your life jacket, you got it.
Yeah, he's bringing a life jacket. Shout out MBT.
This is scary.
Shout out MBT. This guy.
nigga.
Yo, she's laughing at you. Here. Take off your shoes.
Yeah, you gotta take
I know.
Here.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh.
Stop being scared. No way you're gonna push me out.
All right. أمانة عليك, huh?
He's Yemeni.
No.
He's Yemeni. هو يمني.
وانا عشان اقول ما عليك. Hey, don't do nothing crazy.
Should I take the risk? Oh. Put it back. Come on, take it. Come on.
يا أخي. Mo, hold it like this. Don't be scared.
No. I'm gonna fold. Hey. If I hold it like this, you're not doing nothing crazy. No.
No. Don't. You're gonna get splashed.
How far you gonna go, gang?
Right here. I don't think I'm gonna have it. We're gonna go. Stop being scared, man. Yeah, take a picture of us.
What am I doing with my life?
What am I doing with my life? If you're in the back, you're barely gonna get wet.
Say wallah.
Look, I'm barely wet. I swear to God, I'm barely wet.
Sir.
Make him fall.
You're wet. What do you
He
mean?
flashed me. Wallah, he's flashed me.
Hey, take off your shoes, yo. Try to be what?
Wallah, you don't make him fall.
Wallah.
I'm joking.
Hey. Wallah, say what I'm gonna get wet.
The only way you will fall out is just get if you let go. Yeah, let go. Hey, don't do it, bro.
Why are you jetting us? Stop jetting us now.
Askari.
Oh my God. Wallah, this is bad. This is bad. Yumma, this is bad. Bismillah.
Go.
Bismillah. Wallah, this is
Make sure you got
Hey, watch out for your.
Hold on. Hold on, kid.
Hey, Mo, go in the middle. Mo! Hey, make him fall off! Yo, make him fall off! Al video! No, splash that nigga, bro! Splash that! Hey, hold for the bottom, that bottom! I gotta shout out my boy. Flip him off. Flip him off. Hey, flip him off. I didn't get wet, nigga. Flip him off, yeah. One more time.
I didn't even know, man. I don't know what happened. Well, that's crazy.
We literally just saw you.
Give me my life jacket.
Who?
Him. How far? Brave.
I got you. Hey, I got you guys. I know, man. Yo, these bums convinced me. This guy convinced me, bro. What does that convince me, bro? This guy convinced me too.
Shout out, I'm not ape.
No, that's the rainbow. What? What's my? Here. Very nice, very good. Oh! That's crazy. That's just stuff, Allah. That's crazy. Very nice, very good. Bro, I got this whole guy wet, bro. This whole guy got wet.
Oh, what do you say?
No, not like that, gang. That's crazy. Wallah, that's fire. I swear to God, it's so worth it. Wallah. Why aren't you be in it, man?
No,
You got me in it, not you, man.
safety out here, bro.
Damn, that's a big cat. Oh, I think it was cursing me in Japanese. Alhamdulillah. That's it for the vlog, man. I'm dead, wallah, I'm dead. Gotta get up, get active, gang. Very nice, very good. You told me to